Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about the definite integral again. So here's the big question. So how is the definite integral defined if the function is negative for some x values? Okay, so far I've really been just giving you definite integrals where the function values are positive. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is that when f of x is positive for some x values and negative for others, and a is less than b, okay, the integral from a to b of f of x dx is the sum of the area above the x-axis counted positively, so above the x-axis counted positively, and areas below the x-axis counted negatively. Okay. So, looking at this example, it says use the area shown in the graph below to find the following. So first I want to find the definite integral from 0 to 2 of f of x dx. So I'm looking at this area here, going from 0, my x value from 0 to 2. And so this area is 1.5. And because it's above the x-axis, I'm counting it as positive. Now looking at part B, I want to look at the definite integral now from 2 to 4. So looking from 2 to 4, I'm looking at this area between the curve and the x-axis. But notice that now this area is below the x-axis, so this is going to be counted as negative. So this is going to be negative 4. Okay. And then from 4 to 5, this area is above the x-axis. So this area is just going to be counted as 3, positive 3. Okay. So now in part D, though, I'm looking at finding the definite integral from 0 to 4. So how would I go about finding this integral? Well, what I'm going to do is notice that it kind of breaks up in terms of finding the area at 2, right? Because at x equals 2, I switch from like this curve being above the x-axis to then being below the x-axis. So really what I can do is say that this is just going to be the integral from 0 to 2 of f of x dx plus the integral from 2 to 4 of f of x dx. Okay, so this is going to give me 1.5 plus negative 4. And so this is just going to be negative 2.5. Okay, and so hopefully that makes sense to us.
Excuse the interruption. Would sophomore students who have Miss Pereira as a guidance counselor with the last name of N through Z